I'm in Spain for 3 months right now and everything I packed is in this backpack. I already had to buy 2 things, one planned, one not so much. But first, let's have a look what I packed. So let's have a look what I have inside my backpack for a summer trip. And just in case you have seen my other videos and you're wondering why I have yet another backpack, I swapped backpacks with my boyfriend so I can try out as many backpacks as possible, and hopefully soon I'll make a video for you where I compare all the backpacks I've tried so far, which have been a few recently. But yeah, let's have a look. We'll start with clothes. Usually I like to keep all my clothes inside one packing cube, but this time around I have my sweater separately. Usually I would just wear my sweater when I travel, but you can see it can even fit in my backpack in case, well, it's too hot to wear it. As you can see, I brought one hoodie. In my 3 months summer Spain trip, I'm 3 months in Spain. Out of the 12 weeks, I'm doing 11 weeks of house sitting. So I'm staying in 2 houses and, well, I'm staying in a lot of time as well. I do some day trips while my boyfriend stays home with the pets, but in general I packed a lot of comfy clothes for this trip because inside it can get cold. So one comfy sweater and then my clothes. So I have one laundry bag with my underwear in it. You gotta trust me, that's my underwear in here. My washing bag. I have underwear for 7 days because once a week I'm doing washing. And then my favorite scarf for summer. So it's a big scarf and it's a very multifunctional scarf. In summer I use this scarf instead of a towel. A big towel is, well, too big to bring. And a travel towel, I really don't like the fabric of microfiber. It's just when I touch it, I don't like it. So I'm using this scarf as a towel. I'm not on a beach holiday, so I do sometimes go to the beach, but not that often, so I don't need to pack a proper towel. I can dry myself with it. It's not the best for using it like a long-term towel, but most places, they offer a towel anyway, so I don't really need a towel for showering, just when I sometimes go to the beach. Sorry. I can also use this scarf when I visit a temple or a church, for example, and I need to cover myself up when I'm wearing like hot pants or something. I can use this scarf. Then we have, well, it's summer, a bikini. That's just my bikini bottoms. I'm actually wearing my bikini top as instead of a bra today. Then we have my pajama. In case you watched any of my other videos, you know I like to sleep in pajamas. And I'm wearing one top, and that's actually the top I would recommend you not to bring, because this top only goes with those bottoms. And usually I always recommend to bring things that mix and match, but I just love this top so much for summer. It's like super light and I love it. Always keep those minimalist packing rules. Well, take them with a grain of salt, just always change it so you're happy with the things you're packing. So I'm bringing this top, even though it only goes with my one pair of pants. Otherwise, I'm bringing 3 other tops. I do like to wear tops where like my armpits are in fresh air because I'm not using deodorant and in summer it can get hot. So the best way not to sweat is to wear tops, like, you know. But I do like to bring one t-shirt where the shoulders are covered. So one t-shirt, and the t-shirt looks really cool at the back. Then I have one dress. A very basic dress, and for bottoms I'm wearing my hot pants. I'm also bringing one pair of leggings because I get cold super easily, so when I go out for a day I would bring my leggings. I can put them on in the evening when it gets a bit chilly, or I can wear them inside for launching. Then I'm also bringing one skirt and one pair of comfy short pants and one pair of comfy long pants. Like I said, I'm doing 11 weeks of house sitting, so I'm staying in a lot of times to work on my blog, so I need a lot of launching stuff as well. Depending what you do on your summer trip, you might swap those for more like stylish things. Although I do think they're stylish, but yeah. And I'm also bringing one shirt because I get chilly super easily. so I'm bringing one shirt. It's not the best shirt for summer travel. I used to have a shirt which was super thin material. It was amazing for summer travel. Unfortunately, it ripped, like it broke because I wore it too much. And this one is a little bit thicker than I would like, but I found it at a garage sale and it looks cool. So yeah, one shirt. That's all the clothing I'm bringing. My clothing choices for this trip might not be the best. Not everything mixes and matches, so I can't mix and match everything, but I brought more, like a lot of things because they're comfortable, because I know I'm gonna stay in a lot of time as well during my summer trip. But yeah, that's my clothing things. Next, we got flip-flops. So I'm wearing one pair of sneakers. Wear those for traveling, and I'm bringing flip-flops. That's all the shoes I'm bringing. So I'm either wearing flip-flops or sneakers. In summer, if you wear flip-flops a lot, you can even bring less socks than underwear, because obviously you don't need socks when you wear flip-flops. I still brought 7 pairs of socks because I'm inside a lot as well, and inside it's cold. So yeah, flip-flops. Then let's have a look at my electronics. So we got electronics here in one packing cube, and my laptop at the back. I'm working while traveling, so I'm working on my blog while traveling, so I need my laptop. So in general, for electronics and toiletries, in case you've seen my other videos, you'll recognize a lot of similar things because, well, I'm actually traveling with those things and I use them all the time. I'm not getting new things for each trip, besides the backpack as it seems. But yeah, I'll not talk too much about the things because you'll probably have seen them before. But yeah, charging from my laptop. Then we have a adapter. Actually, I'm in Spain right now, so they have the same plug as back home, but I still bring my travel adapter because I can charge multiple things at the same time. That's really handy. Lead for my phone, my headphones in the bag, so my headphones. Also bringing my power bank, especially on day trips. My phone battery would die otherwise, so I'm bringing a power bank so I can charge my phone on day trips. Then we have 2 more leads. That one is for my ebook reader and that one is for my power bank and my ebook reader. So that's the electronics I'm bringing. Then in the main compartment we have left my day bag. Yeah, just when I go on day trips I don't like to bring my big backpack. I only bring a small backpack where I put in like my water bottle, phone, maybe a shirt in case it's like a long day trip or whatever, you know, things for a day. Then we have my toiletries. They're a bit spread out now because I have my main toiletries here, but I have the liquids in the front. That's a super handy front pocket of the backpack because I can reach my liquid toiletries really quickly at airport security. Let's have a look at the toiletries I'm bringing. My toothbrush in its travel case. Keep it hygienic and it can also clean it with UV light. Then we have face lotion, toothpaste, body butter, suntan lotion, and speaking of suntan lotion, like I said, I'm 3 months in Spain. This small bottle of suntan lotion is not gonna be enough. The first thing I bought during my trip, a bigger suntan lotion. I had this planned from the start because I knew, well, 3 months not gonna be enough, so I needed a bigger suntan lotion. Now I'm using that one when I'm home, and I can take this one on day trips because it's smaller, and yeah, so suntan lotion. Then we have lip balm. Since it's a 3-month trip, I'm bringing 2 lip balms because I'm very particular with my lip balms. Usually I don't mind replacing things wherever I am right now, but with lip balms I'm super particular and that's the one I like. So I'm bringing 2 lip balms. I have hair baubles, a hairbrush, my reusable cotton swab. Oh, I have even another lip balm. So I brought 3 lip balms. Lip balm is really important to me. Then I have my solid shampoo and soap bar in the dry bag. Really like the bag. So I have 1 shampoo bar and 1 facial and body soap bar. It's a bit sticky. I just showered before, so the outside stays dry. Inside it can dry. So shampoo bar. Actually, I think it's a shampoo and conditioner bar combined in one, and face and body soap combined in one as well. Then we have a razor with 2 spare heads, and nail file and nail clippers. I lost my tweezers. Before I leave this house, I need to look all over the place for my tweezers because I can't find them anymore. But yeah, so for now, nail file and nail clippers. Usually tweezers as well. I don't know where I put them. But yeah, that's it for the toiletry bag. Few small bits in the front pocket left. my wallet, my passport, my phone, my phone, and sunglasses, of course, with a big massive case so they don't scratch or anything, because I got prescription sunglasses, so they're expensive. I need to take care of them. That's everything from my backpack. Now to the item I bought during my trip because I forgot to pack it. I bought a hat. I bought a sun hat. I really love the sun, but my head gets super hot, so I bought a hat. On the one hand, I forgot to pack a hat. On the other hand, packing a hat would have been a bit awkward anyway. I'm not sure if I would have packed one because it was super rainy when I set off at home. But yeah, let me know what you think of my hat. I hope you have a great summer holiday with just one bag. And thanks for watching. Bye!